How to pin an Instagram live comment. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin an Instagram live comment. So let's get started everybody. First of all, you're going to tap on the Instagram application or open the Instagram application on your mobile devices. After doing so, you're going to hold on at the left top side of your screen in which it is written your story. After holding it on for some seconds, a new dialog box would appear which would have two options: add to your story and edit close friends list. Tap on add to your story, in which you are going to go into the camera option. Afterwards, you would have three options: story, live, or post. Go into the live option and start the live. When you will start the live, the automatically Instagram would look for your connection and would tell you that you're online and you're live, good to go. And when you are good to go, just wait for the audience to join in. When your audience would join in, then if anybody makes a comment, like for example, I have no audience at the moment right now, but so wait for somebody to join in. If someone joins in, I can show you how you can do this. So I get to know that one person is in my live. So that person has commented hello. What I can do to save his comment is I would tap on his comment, and in this a new dialog box would appear in which pin comment option is there. When I am going tap on it, the comment would be pinned. So this is how you pin an Instagram live comment. This was it everybody. I hope it was informative for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Till next time.